Alright everyone, I just got to the salon. Here's a little before of my hair. She's honestly cute and long, which is what I want to try to keep for the summertime, but I really need a trim, okay? And maybe more than a trim, maybe just like this long. So this is what it looks like. This is my natural hair right now. It's wavy. I'm also getting my hair blow dried today, so hopefully it lasts for as long as I can. I am going to Pilates tomorrow, so we'll see about that. But yeah, let's go get a haircut. I'm honestly so excited, and it's been so long. I think it's definitely been like more than 6 months though, so.
I can't let you go, baby. I just wanna tell you that. No, 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 no. Yeah. All of my friends say, girl, you better take care, 'cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And though deep down, I know I might be headed for teardrops. Now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No, no. 'Cause I love you, baby. I can't let you go, baby. I gotta tell you that I've been looking for love so true. When I was down and out, along came you. Though you might be a liar and a cheat too, I just can't quit you now 'cause I love you. Yes,
This is the haircut. Guys, this is John. He does my hair all the time now. The last time I was here was with him, so if you live in the valley or in LA, come here.
Perfect.
Thank you. Thank you. There you have it, guys. Alright guys, I'm at Free People. I'm trying on stuff. I love these jeans right now. They're from Free People. These are the Barrow jeans, and I've gotten so many compliments. And they're kind of weird if you stand like this, but they're honestly so comfortable, and I love the color. I have this in white, and I literally love it so much. So I am trying on a black one, and then also a green one. And these are the Barrow jeans. I don't know if I love the denim look, honestly. But is this a size extra small? It's like super baggy. You can always just stick it. This dress is cute, but I want it in like a brighter color. I don't know if I love the brown. I feel like it makes me look. I washed it on my color. Okay, but the blue one is so cute, and I feel like if I'm extra tan, it looks so freaking cute. Like this angle doesn't do it justice. And it comes with pockets. It could be a cute bikini cover-up. Hi guys, good afternoon. Also, my hair is super short. Like, I'm still kind of getting used to it, but I did get a trim. My hair was like yay long, so maybe that's not even a trim. But I'm in my medium hair length era right now, and I just showered this morning. I put a little bit of product, and that's why my waves are kind of sort of cooperating with me, but I literally cannot be bothered to do my hair right now because today has been a full admin day, and I woke up at 4:50 today to go to my workout. I have been working and getting stuff done on my to-do list since probably like 8, and it is now 1:30. Now, I'm not complaining at all. I love a productive morning, day, but I feel like I've been so focused on getting shit done that I'm just like, let's take a little break because I'm gonna go crazy. I wanted to open this right away because I actually need to go to my alterations lady. I also wanted to open this because I know the Aritzia like effortless pants are long on me. I got 2 sets of the same thing, just in different colors. I fell in love with this piece at the store, but they did not have my size, so I got this gray one. It's like a little business casual, not business casual, but it's like a little bit of a business attire. It's in a size 2. I have yet to try it. I tried the size 4, and it honestly fit amazing. However, like, it was very loose on my titty area. So, and then I picked up the effortless pants in size 2. This is, the length is full rise, it's high rise, and it is leg wide. Like this is long. This is long on me. I can already tell. So I'm probably gonna get this altered, but I do want to try that top part first. Then I got it in this color, gorgeous, like khaki color. Same thing. I love the effortless pants from Aritzia. They're honestly great quality. And if you work in the office, like, did I just like? What? If you work in the office, like these are really nice investment pieces. They are a little bit pricey, but you are going to be wearing them a whole lot. So got that. I got this white colored top. Why is my nail getting stuck? I feel like it would be cute with some white little tennis skirt. I don't play golf, but like I feel like I'm going to start playing golf. I want to at least. So I got that. Oh, and if you guys haven't tried the golden line from Aritzia, you are missing out because I love it so much. I got this white fitted top. I have this in a black one and a gray one, and I love it so much, and I had to get the white one because I wear white all the time. Then I also got this one in a white one. I have this in a black one and a gray one and now a white one, and I honestly love wearing these with sweatpants or jeans. It is slightly cropped. Alright, so obviously it's kind of hard to show you guys my whole fit, but this is what the top looks like. And then the pants fit amazing, by the way, and I have been losing a lot of weight lately because I've been putting my workouts into overdrive. Not because like I wanted to lose weight, but I just thoroughly enjoy the workout, and now I'm like losing weight. My problem with the size 4 was that like this one was a little too loose, and then for my pants, let me just go and show you guys. Alright, so this is what the pants look like. As you can tell, it's like pretty long on the bottom, but I love the color, you guys. Like I freaking love the color. I love how business chic it is. I love the color, and the quality is honestly really nice, but it's way too long. So I'm gonna get this altered. Hi guys, good morning. Today's Wednesday, and I actually just got to West Hollywood on Melrose area because I am going to be making my own charm necklace. I've been seeing these necklaces, like charm necklaces, everywhere on TikTok, Pinterest, and instead of buying it super expensive, I was like, you know what, let's go ahead and make our own. So it's very unique. It's like a one-of-a-kind type of thing. And I'm so excited because this is actually in collaboration, like not this video, but like this whole event is in collaboration with Charmalay, and I'm honestly super stoked because not only is it a woman-owned business brand, but it is also Filipina owned. I love supporting my fellow Filipina out there, and they invited me to come in and basically build my own charm necklace. I did park kind of like a little bit far, but it's fine, okay? Like I'm like the first one on this lane, so it'll be easy for me to like get out. Also, if you guys are in LA and you're on Melrose, it is literally impossible. That car was so freaking close to my car. But it is literally impossible to find free parking here, and the neighborhood streets or like the residential areas are most likely permit only, and it is free, but you do need a permit to park there. But anyway, I'm very excited. I have like a little inspo in my mind that I want to try to make. Obviously, you guys know that I love the beach. I love anything ocean. I love anything summer, so I think I'm gonna go for that. I don't have like, maybe I should look at inspo pics actually on Pinterest. Obviously, I'm gonna go for gold instead of silver because I am a gold girl. I think I finally perfected my natural wavy hair routine, and I only use 2 products, which is it's a 10 hair or something like that, which is like a leave-in conditioner, and then mousse. I forgot the brand of the mousse, but I got it from Target. I'll show you guys when I get home. You guys, I feel like I've been celebrating my birthday every single day for the last week or so. My birthday was last week, which is actually a week from today. It's 6. And I'm just so excited for 28. I also don't feel like I'm 28, but this year I definitely felt the extra love. And I got so many flowers. receiving flowers is definitely one of my love languages now, because I realized that when I was like looking at my flowers on my desk. Like I have so many of them, which I'm really, really grateful for, that my friends and family wanted to buy me flowers. But I was like, wow, like this brings me so much joy, and it definitely is like one of my love languages. Okay, what are your love languages? Because I feel like when someone asks me what is your love language, and I'm like, all of them, all of the above. Whose idea was it only to pick one? But if I were to like rate them and like which ones I love the most, one would be act of service. I think that stems from like being an immigrant daughter. Like I know I can do it, but the fact that like my partner or my friends or family offer to do things for me, like that is a very big thing for me. I also love quality time, and then words of affirmation, physical touch, or I think it's quality time and then physical touch and then words of affirmation and then gifts. So you know what I mean, like it's everything, they all kind of go hand in hand. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and save the battery so I can like vlog my experience, because I know it's gonna be super exciting. Yeah. Alright guys, I have made my selections. Here we go. I got this chain for F, obviously. And we're gonna assemble them now. Hey guys, I'm at Charm LA. Her name's CJ, and she's got me matcha. So cute, you guys. We got some seashells, spicy because I love spicy food. Hello, cross. And then my initial starfish. This headphones is so cute, a match. And then little martini glass. I just finished at Charm LA. We're having brunch now. Look how cute my necklace are. So cute. If you guys are trying to create your own charm necklace, definitely go to Charm LA. So cute, and it's Filipina owned.
Is this courtesy of the chef?
Oh, nice. Thank you so much.
Sushi.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Guys, courtesy of the chef. Yum. It's a seared yellowtail. So good, guys.
The city of mine, it never gets me down. City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down, yeah. I was born
born in the city, I was raised on its edges. My pop worked his life when it's complex. I found love in its center. If I could live here forever, think it'd be for the better. I love the weather, even though it's fog 24/7. I love the people. This is the city I met all my best friends, and I